Hey folks, we're at Spruce Knob in West Virginia, and we got Ninja Niki, and that's my son Denny, and his girlfriend Brittany. So yeah, we're gonna hit this trail, and we're gonna do the kind of popular lollipop loop, and I don't know. We got to get going because it's late. We left early this morning, and it's almost 7 o'clock, and I think we probably have maybe an hour and a half of daylight. So we got to get going. We'll see you on the trail. Alright, so I'll give you a little background on this now that we're on the trail and going somewhere. We're just actually going to hike in just a little ways since we don't have a ton of daylight left, and find a place to camp, and then tomorrow we're going to head around to the top of this lollipop loop, which kind of goes down into like a valley where there's a I don't know, a river or a stream or something, and some waterfalls. Also along here there's a small plane crash, a little Cessna I believe it was, and the wreckage is all still there, so we'll see if we can find that. And tomorrow is the solar eclipse. Alright, so we found a decent camp. We're like pretty much right on the trail, but that's about all we could get. And it's I know you can't really tell here, but it's just like really dark it's getting, so we're just getting everything set up. So this is the first time ever that Britt has been backpacking, and I think it's only the second time that you've been backpacking, right, Denny? Mm-hmm. Yeah, so we're kind of taking it easy, and I brought quite a few luxury items. So I've got a super heavy pack, almost 40 pounds. It's 39 pounds. I weighed it right at the car. So my camera, I don't know, it keeps screwing up on me. I'm not even sure if I got the footage that I wanted. I gotta hurry up before I lose all this light and get my bear hang done. And we're gonna finish setting up camp and probably just hit the sack, because none of us got hardly any sleep at all. Matter of fact, Ninja Niki worked at midnight last night, got 0 sleep. So yeah, I'm gonna hurry up and get this hung, and we'll probably just see you in the morning. So night. Good morning. Right now I'm the only one up, as far as I know. So as of right now, I did check my other camera, and it's hit or miss. It's picking up some stuff, and other stuff it's not. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. I may keep it with me just in case I need it for the zoom feature, because the optical zoom on that camera is just so much better than what you can get with any mobile phone. I'm gonna just really quick eat a little breakfast, and then we're actually only about a mile from the car, so I'm gonna slack pack back to the car. And I kept a few things in my pack that I really didn't need to be carrying because we got there so late, and we anyways, I brought 4 extra meals, and I brought extra water that I didn't need, so I'm gonna run some of that back, and we'll see. I'm gonna try and lighten up my pack just a little bit. So really, this is the only bad thing, because here's the trail, and basically here's our camp setup, and across the trail from us is Denny and Britt. Not ideal, but it wasn't too bad. And there are a lot of campsites along here that are exactly like this, just like right off the trail. So almost walked right into that. I don't know if we can focus in on that or not, but almost walked right into it. water on right now. There's some coffee. Food bag right there. Having delicious Pop-Tart for breakfast. And Ninja Niki is up and at 'em. Like I said, comfort items. Probably like the 1 pound chairs. Yeah, whatever. It's nice to sit in camp once in a while. So, this is just my GSI insulated cup. And as you can see, I made a little extra insulated cozy for it. And it actually works really, really well to keep the coffee warm for quite a while, longer than it did with just, you know, the cozy that comes with the cup. So, and I got the handle that comes through the side, so yeah, it's pretty cool. A little cutaway up there, so you know, so I can sip. I'm not sure if I ever showed that in any of my other videos, so I thought I'd get a little video of that. Ninja Niki drinks some kind of fruity, caffeine-laden drink mixes. And we think she might have forgot them at home. And if that's the case, we may all pay the price if she has no caffeine. (4,863 feet elevation. I did walk back to the car. It actually turned out to only be 3/4 of a mile. And I dropped off a few pounds worth of stuff. Now I'm gonna head back to camp, and hopefully they've started cleaning up already. And I don't know, we're gonna get a little bit of a late start this morning, but we'll probably be on trail by 10 a.m.
I have to share the misery.
So, what do you think so far?
Pretty easy.
Because we only went 3/4 of a mile in. Yeah. Alright, so we got camp all cleaned up. And we're ready to hit the trail. I think. Yeah? Alright. Pretty cool little sitting area to take a rest or have lunch or something. I wonder if it leads back to a campsite or not. It's pretty cool. What, are we trying to add weight to her pack?
No, you're
Well, I'll
actually
be
going
adding-
with less.
I'll add more to mine.
While they're trying to get through the mud back there, I'll fill you guys in on this trail a little bit. It's pretty cool because all along this trail there's like just a ton of places that you can camp, like already established camps. So if you roll in late at night, there are campsites immediately as soon as you start getting into the trail. Yeah, all of these sites, a lot, you know, most of them already have little rock fire rings built, and yeah, nice flat spots to set tents. There are big sites, small sites. So if you miss some, just keep on walking. You'll come up to something. See that? It's a total blowout on the boot. That's ridiculous. I've never seen that before. So I think we're probably gonna have to head back. I don't know what else to do, really. I mean, I can duct tape it, but
Do you have duct tape?
yeah, but I don't think it's gonna last. I'm saying I could duct tape it for the hike back, but I mean,
She's got duct tape right there.
yeah, I know. We have duct tape, and I have duct tape too. But it's just the point that we're not making it.
16 miles.
Yeah,
With boots
with
like that.
yeah, with duct tape. So
What about just camping out somewhere?
I think that's probably what we're gonna have to do.
We'll do that. We'll go find somewhere to camp.
Yeah.
I don't want to ruin the hike, though.
No.
Right.
No.
You will have 100 more chances to go on a hike.
Yeah. I
So my
totally
dad-
don't even worry about it. No, because you know what? If this would have happened to anybody else's boots, we'd have done the same thing.
Yep.
I'm totally not worried about it. So there's our duct tape repair. Only the front of the other one was delaminating, but the whole entire sole just fell right off of the boot. We'll make the best of it. So the duct tape job did not work because I didn't have enough duct tape to wrap all the way around it. So the heel was coming up right off the bat. So it is what it is. She's wearing Ninja Niki's boots. Ninja Niki.
I step on them if I don't have.
She looks like SpongeBob SquarePants here.
Why can't I be like Gary the Snail? Or Patrick.
She
Yeah.
walks like Gary.
I'm
the-
Sandy the squirrel.
Oh yeah, right.
Yeah, right. Sandy the squirrel's fit.
We'll get the whole view here. That's awesome.
Jason says, "What's with those jeans? They make your butt look weird." I was like, "They're my new jeans. Do you not like them?" And he's like, "I don't know. They just make your butt look weird." Whatever. So we get home, and Denny gets off the bus, and he says, "Whose jeans you wearing?" I'm like, "What is with these jeans? Why do they look so bad?" I go into the bathroom, pick my shirt up. Sure as shit, they weren't his jeans.
There's probably more.
So here's our current situation. We're on the trail and we're headed back to Spruce Knob. Headed back to the parking lot on the trailhead. Obviously, the boots did not work out. So I don't think that I mentioned before that this is the day of the big solar eclipse. So we're hoping to catch it on the top of Spruce Knob here when we come back, and I don't know, we'll see. We got our glasses, our solar glasses, so, and we look super cool in them, so we'll see what happens. We look pretty stylish in our sweet glasses. Well, in case you can't tell, we made it back to the parking lot. I can't see a thing, but Ninja Niki's epic hike in Crocs has come to an end, but she did it. She did it. She killed it, man.
Pretty sure I'm gonna have a couple blisters.
Ooh. Well, this goes to show you never know what's going to happen on the trail. I guess maybe I should have looked her boots over a little bit better or something. I don't know. I'm not sure I could have been able to tell that the soles were going to fall completely off. I mean, jeez. Well, whatever.
I kind of got a picture of it. Oh, that's kind of sweet.
Somewhere down south, it's really dark in the middle of the day. That is cool. We are on top of Spruce Knob. We're in the lookout tower here. The lookout. The lookout. What the heck is that? What's a lookout? Who says something dumb like that? Lookout.
What kind of moon is like that? What kind of moon is that, baby? What's it called?
Huh?
Good job.
No.
Oh.
That's a crescent sun.
Yeah.
Mama, say hi, that blue one.
That's beautiful.
You can
Should I
say
say hi
hi.
to that blue one?
Say hi.
Blue one. She's wearing a blue shirt. The blue one wants
So after the boot blowout catastrophe, we decided to just run around and take in some of the sights of the area. So I guess it's called Seneca Rocks Discovery Center. Monongahela National Forest. That's a nice little visitor center. We got to clean up a little bit. Use the bathroom. And I don't know what we're doing next. We'll figure it out. I'll let you know when we get there. So, we end up at the Seneca Rocks campground. We got a double site. And we're gonna go grab a bite to eat. Have ourselves a fire tonight. Had 3 bundles of firewood dropped off. That ought to last us for a little while. Good looking little campsite. Last chance for what?
For the
Grand flat.
You'll want it if it rains, but if it doesn't, you won't want it. We got a fire going and we're just gonna enjoy the rest of the night here. I guess we'll clean up camp in the morning and probably head on home. Turned out a little different than we expected. We figured we'd be hiking out from the Spruce Knob, Seneca Rocks area tomorrow, but instead we end up doing a little car camping. But hey, that's okay, you know, things happen and sometimes you just have to make do. We're having a great time anyway. We end up going out to dinner to a small little local restaurant and had a good dinner and visited that visitor center and yeah, we're having a good time. So, well,
Sorry.
this is how we're gonna end the trip. Far away, kind of. Oh yeah, it's on there, and it's going on YouTube. Huh?
Whatever. You would not do that to me because I would be very angry.
Besides Ninja Niki? Oh, okay. I thought you were lacking your ninja skills today. That's going on YouTube for sure. You want to do that again? I don't think I mentioned before that I have flies on my finger. Turned out a little different than we expected.